boy Luke back with another video. Y'all see what we in. Riding in G-Pop. But we got some we definitely got some stuff we gotta do this weekend. I did the O2 sensors on this truck because the O2 sensors was bad and it was cutting the fuel out. So I got that knocked out. But John just bought a new truck, and he called your boy because he needs some work done. So he gonna try to lean it a little bit, I think. So we're gonna do a front lift. He told me he wanted me to do the front lift, and there was something else he needed done. But we probably gonna knock that out. The truck John got, it looked pretty good. It's a I think it's a Toyota. Yeah, I think it's a Toyota, but it looked pretty good. I mean, and it came with some wheels, so I guess you can't really go wrong there. But yeah, we definitely finna get into it. We're gonna get into it. So as soon as he arrives, as soon as he gets to the house, I'll cut you guys back on. But yeah, man, if y'all clicked on this video, man, do your boy a favor, man, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, join the Fizzle game, because yeah, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before April. I hope we can make it. But yeah, man, I'll pick you guys back up as soon as John get here. All right, gang, we're in the shop. We gotta move this mug out and over there, and oh my God, get ready for John to bring his pile of crap over here so we can work on it. So look, I'm gonna set you guys up while we do that. Set you guys up right there while we do that. Y'all just hang out for a minute. All right, we got that mud. We got to push over there. So now, I guess we're gonna I'm gonna sweep all this stuff out. And we're gonna prepare to start doing this lift. I'm gonna have to move that speaker box because I don't want nobody trying to set nothing on it. Yeah, we're gonna rearrange some stuff real quick. Okay, our candidate is here. All dirty. All dirty. Pull that mug in. Look at that dent in that door, though. Pull that mug in. Not all the way, though. Hold on, wait. Don't pull it in all the way. All right, that's good. Hey, quit revving that raggedy mother. Anyway, the candidate is here, y'all. The candidate is here. Okay, he looked pretty good. You getting out? Let me see what kind of tires you done went and got. It look pretty good. It looked like something. Now you got the same ones?
Oh yeah, I ordered the same ones.
Oh, okay.
Them are from 21.
Oh, those are?
Yeah, they're 4 years old.
Jack came back home. Why you bring them little bitty jack stands?
That's all I got.
Anyway, gang, we finna get started. Yeah, and we'll be back once we make some progress.
I'm just trying to turn it to where I can cut the other
You
side.
need to take a hammer.
Knock that mug off there. Boom.
When you get almost all the way through it, usually a hammer will shock it enough to make it crack.
All right, we're gonna give y'all a little update. So we did the starter, which y'all know that plenum has to come off, or that that air plenum has to come off, which was a pain in the doggone butt. But anyway, and then I had to cut that doggone that adjustable coilover off of there. Had to cut that off of there, so I sent John to Ace Hardware because we can't find those bolts to go through right there. Y'all see y'all see that? Bam, bam, yep. So now we're doing the other side, but as soon as he get back, and then we're gonna do that. We got this out. We need to put the sway bar spacer in there, and then we got to put the end links in there, the sway bar end links, and then we got this upper control arm in there. Got that one in there, and I got this one off, but it's over there, so I had to do the same thing to this side right here. Y'all see my cuts is over here. I had to cut them, so I'm getting ready to knock that little notch out and then take these bolts out the top, pull it on out and get those up out of there. And then we're gonna do the spacers for the sway bar. And then we'll be back once it's on the ground. All right. We got the strut put in, upper, A-arm. We got new bolts. We got a new bolt for this strut or whatever it is. Now we're gonna put in these sway bar links. I'm sorry, I can't think. Sway bar links. Gotta make sure they're greased though. These right here's got the Zerk fittings on there. They got the Zerk fittings on there so you can grease them. That way they don't make any noise. But yeah, we're gonna put these on there. We're gonna put these on there and we'll get back with y'all once we pulling it out. I know I said that in the last clip, but I lied. All right. Look, she on the ground now. She got a little toot to her. She got a little toot. It don't look bad. It's better than that rake he had whenever he come in here, but we got it all done. It took all of 9 hours. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Is that it?
But yeah. It look alright. It's clean. It's definitely clean. As soon as he pull out, I'm trying to get y'all this footage real quick before the sun go down. But he moving like a grandpa. He ain't a grandpa. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Yeah. We'll get that view of it whenever he pulls out. Yeah. Let's see what we looking like.
I moved all the stuff. He's got a die spinner.
See what we looking like. Oh, don't hear nothing. Oh, it's not scraping anymore. Okay. It's level.
A bit of difference.
It's leveled out. He's not scrubbing in the front no more. Hey, you're not scrubbing anymore. Yeah. Don't look bad. Not scrubbing no more. Yep. Got him in and out of here. Sure did. 1 day turnaround. Yep. she look all right. Anyway, man, for those of y'all that came from the shop, yeah, for those of y'all still here watching this video, man, y'all do me a favor, man, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Join the fizzle game, but we got them in there. We're gonna have to push that. We're gonna have to push that car back inside for sure. But yeah, he in there. He need to take that mud to the car wash and clean that mug up. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's level. He only went up 2 inches in the front, but I'm pretty sure whenever he hit the gas, it's gonna give him that lean that he wants. Whenever he doggone hit the gas, for sure. But anyway, we're gonna have to put this back in the shop because y'all know the top's still up on that, still not running. I'm gonna have to jump that mug off. But anyway, man, I'll be back whenever we do that. Look at that. It looks good. He came back to show me this morning. All right. Have fun. That mug look good. I cannot lie. Yep. I do. I like the way it turned out. I don't think it's as lean as he wanted it to be. He needs to change that doggone grill and stuff. Looks good though. Sounds good. Most definitely. You can see all the new parts under there. Looks pretty good. He said he's not having any problems. Looks pretty good. Yep. That front end needs a doggone alignment though. Yep, that front end needs an alignment. Other than that, she looks good.